So what kinds of field trips did you go on when you were in middle school?
Well, I grew up in Florida, so we went to a train museum one time. We took a train there. And we would go to Disney sometimes, but that was an overnight trip.
See, that's awesome.
Yeah, it was.
Well, here in New Hampshire, when I was in 4th grade, I went to the nuclear power plant.
Get out
I'm
of
not
here.
kidding you, and they gave me a piece of uranium to take home, which explains a lot. Anyway, my mother, she used to do this crazy thing. Like, she used to take aluminum foil and wrap it around my soda can and put it in my lunch when I go on a field trip.
Why did she do that?
She thought that it was going to keep it colder longer. I don't know.
Really? Because my mom used to wrap my can of soda in paper towel because she thought that would keep it colder longer. I wonder which one works better.
I don't know. You know what I think it's time for?
What?
An experiment.
So, what kind of things do you think we should wrap the soda cans in for the experiment?
You mean like materials?
Yeah, what materials?
Well, we definitely got to wrap one in aluminum foil and one with paper towel.
Obviously.
Yes.
And then, since we're using aluminum foil, maybe we should try saran wrap.
Good
For another
idea.
one.
You got plenty of that.
And then, I don't know, I mean, we wear clothes to stay warm or to keep it cold out, so maybe we
Good
can
thinking.
try like a wool sock.
Perfect.
All right,
How about a cotton one too?
let's do both.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And don't forget about that control.
No material.
So what we need to do is we need to get a starting temp of the soda inside the cans. I got some chilling in the fridge here. I'm going to take out this can of seltzer. We're going to check the starting temp. Open this can right up like this. In theory, this temperature should be the same in each of those cold cans in there. We'll wait a minute, see what happens. So it's time to check our starting temperature. And we have 4 degrees Celsius. Now write that in your table.
Yeah.
So we are going to go ahead and wrap each of these cans in a different material. We're going to let them sit for 1 hour, and then we're going to check the temperature of each of them. So as you can see, we've wrapped each of the cans in a different material. So now it's just time to wait. Let's go ahead and rank the materials. On your data table in the column prediction, we're going to go ahead and rank each of the materials in reference to their effectiveness in keeping the soda cold. We'll use a scale of 1 to 6. 1 would be the most effective at keeping it cold, all the way down to 6, which would be the least effective. All right, it's time for us to check the temperatures of each of our test cans. We're going to go ahead and open them all up, pop in the thermometers, and give them a minute to reach temperature. All right. So we're going to go ahead and check the temperatures of each of the cans. When I read these, please write them in your data table. So the temperature of the control can is 10 degrees Celsius. That's 10 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the can wrapped in wool is 6 degrees Celsius. That's 6 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the can wrapped in saran wrap is 10 degrees Celsius. That's 10 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the can wrapped in a paper towel is 9 degrees Celsius. 9 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the can wrapped in aluminum foil is also 9 degrees Celsius. That's 9 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the can wrapped in a sock is 7 degrees Celsius. That's 7 degrees Celsius.